So today my topic is on simulation of DFA. So DFA means a deterministic finite automata, that is, I'll be given a DFA table. So this capital letter signifies my state symbols, and my small alphabets represent my input symbols. So here in this program I'll be using my small letters input symbols as N and my states as small n. So DFA looks like this in the so in this I'll be using 4 states and 2 input symbols. So we'll see the code. In this I am first entering my input symbols. So it will ask me my output is looking similar to like this, that is it will ask enter the number of input symbols. So I'll be entering the number and it will be storing into the n value, and all my input symbols will be getting stored in my symbol array. Then while I'll be entering my input symbol, it will go to the inside the for loop and check character by character and assign it into symbol array. Then I will be entering the number of states, how many states I want. So suppose I have entered 4 SSV over in this notepad, then I will be entering one by one all my states. Suppose here I have entered A, B, C, D. Then after that, all my number state will be assigned to n, and at last all the values which I will be entering, it will be stored into my state array. Then I have created a table array where all my symbol table as well as my state symbol as well as my input symbol should store in this table. So for that I created a 2D array and pass my row to state symbol and m to the input symbol. Then I am entering the state symbol. So I will be entering ABCD. That time it will store into the state array. Now it will be asking me to enter the transitions table of states. As you see here, state for A. Whatever I have entered, one by one it will ask me to enter what is there in table. As in my table, you see A of A contains A, A of B contains A. So likewise, I have entered for all my states. After that I will be entering and reading through the symbol array and storing into the table array. And after that, at last it will show me like this: the transition table for that particular symbols will be inside my table array that it will display. This is what you can see like this. And after that it will ask me to enter the initial state. So initial state, that means I have to, in diagram, suppose in this diagram I have made my initial state as A and the final as D. So for that, this loop is being used. Under the initial state I will be entering, it will assign to my C value, and with that I will be checking if my C contains in my state array, then I will assign that it is my starting symbol. And after that, the start state is, it will display what I have assigned. And after that it will ask me for the how many number of final states you have to make. So here suppose I have given 1, and after that it will assign to a variable f, and that f I'm storing into an final array, one more array I have created. Then it will display the final state which I have entered in the final array. Then inside try catch, I have to check whether my logic is right or not with my input string. So in my case, I have entered my input string as AABB. So this I have to type. So it will first ask enter the string symbol. It will read one by one and assign it to input. Then it will check whether my start I equal to start, and whatever size I have specified in my input, if it is matching, it will print that the reaching state. It will print through the my table and print that the given string has been accepted. Otherwise, it will print that it has not been accepted. So we will see how it works. So here I will be entering the input symbols. So input symbols I have taken 2, and I am entering B. Now it is asking me enter the number of states. So I want to create 4 states, and I will be entering all the states A, B, C, D. And after that, from this table, what it contains, A of A, what it contains, B. So one by one I will be typing here. A of A contains B, A of B contains A, B of A contains B, B of B contains C, C of A contains B, C of B contains D, and D of A contains B, D of B contains A. So after that, it will ask me which state you want to make as initial. So I am entering my state as A. Now it is asking me how many final states you have to make. So I want to make only one final state, and that final state I want to make as D. As you see here, final state only one D. So I will entering D. Now it is asking me to check for one string. So I will be typing. I am typing a string as AABB. So it will tell that the reach state is B and the given string has been accepted. So in this diagram, as you can see, AABB. The reach state is B and it has reached the accepted string. So this is how DFA, accumulation of DFA is working. Thank you.